Stxnd is what I'm reviewing today. Don't you know this is the Model X, and I really hope I don't get demonetized. All right, I've been wanting to review this product for a long time. It does some pretty amazing things. We're going to be opening this up, trying it out with our laptop right after this. Okay, one thing about me and my job that I like is I like just the thrill of discovery. Invention has always fascinated me, and I can't really invent things on my own. Maybe I'm not creative enough. But when I see something like this, I always have to go, wow, that looks cool. This is the Stxnd, the Model X, and it can do some pretty amazing things. I'm just going to unbox it now. I can see a little thing it has for like a bag. I don't see a need to demonstrate that, but it has this capability, as far as I know. This is designed for those that work from home or maybe in a coffee shop, something. So essentially this thing is going to, and I'm going to demonstrate this, stand up. And I'm going to demonstrate this as best as I can. This flips out. This flips out. Now, what can you do with that? This folds out. Somehow. There. Maybe it folds out? Up. Oh, that's cool. Makes racket sounds. How nice. Okay, apparently the key is just to keep this on the ground so it's nice and solid as a base. So we got this thing, and then this can turn back, right? Yep, it can. And it's pretty solid, don't you see? Okay, so this thing is like this, and hang on. Gotta angle my camera down so I can get a good shot of this. Okay, so we got this here. Oh man, I still gotta angle it down? Okay, gonna cut off the top of my head, aren't I? Yes, I am, but it's necessary to get a good demonstration of it. So, we have this thing. What can we do with it? This thing spreads out. Now, why would you want to do that? Simple. So you can keep your laptop in there. Why would you want to do that? Oh man, why wouldn't you want to do that? Because you want your laptop probably at the proper eye level, right? And the way we use our laptops, it's kind of, I wouldn't say sinful, but look at this. It's out there and I gotta constantly have my head down like this to view it, right? It's inefficient, and I'm sure I'm gonna get neck strain if I haven't already gotten it already. But here's the thing. You get something like this, and then you sort of put this right here, and then you can spread this out here. And then what's this gonna do? You've got these things that flip out. I'll give you a good demonstration of that. Okay, actually maybe it should be more like this. I think, is that like that? Yeah, maybe I'm not doing this right here. Okay. Yeah, I feel like I'm kind of screwing this up here. I feel like this should be more, there we go. Okay. All right, okay. I see how this works now. Okay. You live, you learn, right? Alanis Morissette? Okay, so we got that here. Now, moment of truth here. I'm gonna disconnect my laptop from its power supply because I got a good battery life. And now I put it in here. Okay, so that holds up. That spreads out. And yeah, it feels like it's a little on an angle though. That probably shouldn't be right here. Okay, that's straight now. Okay, obviously we got it now. Okay, so all right, we figured this out, and it didn't take long, did it? Can you imagine how long it would have taken had I used the instructions? Not long at all. Okay, so you can see where this is going here. If I want to, in fact, I definitely want to, I can easily hook up a keyboard to this thing, and then I can use my laptop really in a more relaxed position here thanks to the Stxnd, the Model X product here. Very good product here, and honestly, I think we all kind of need stuff like this. In fact, I first heard about it just by looking on Facebook and just seeing all this kind of stuff here. And I wanted to be real as far as like my actual review of it. And yeah, I'm giving it stars because, dude, this is cool. I mean, I reviewed products in the past like this. I can't remember the last time. But the thing is, it does fit in your pocket. Now, obviously getting this thing basically kind of compact is probably going to be something, and this is going to be something I'm doing kind of off the cuff here. And yeah, so now does it fit in your pocket? Okay, you'd have to have a pretty long, big pocket for this, I gotta tell you that. But if you've got something, say, in your backpack or something like that, and if you've got your work on the road, like say when I go to, say, CES, I can set one of these things up really quick and then suddenly use it. You got some good stuff. So yeah, so it fits in your bag. So posture in your pocket, maybe a bit of a stretch, but posture in your bag. And after all, the official website says it fits in your bag. So yeah, let's see what we've got here as far as anything else goes. So I think I've already talked about how these things are here, which are helping to hold it in. And these things also sort of make you adjust for it. So that will help you out immensely as you do with this. You can use it to hold loads of about 10 kilograms. So that's pretty good. And I think I've already shown you how, well, swivelly it is thanks to its little thing like that. So say, for example, you're at work, you want to show somebody your findings, you can just turn around the screen. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So yeah, let's see, is there any other, there's not really much more I can say about this that I'm not really seeing on the site here that I haven't said already. So I will have to say that this is an awesome product. And the only thing I think I haven't said is the price. Right now I'm seeing this for about $75, but that's a markdown from about $140. So it's a pretty cool deal, and you should probably get yourself one of these if you want this kind of, you know, non-slouching action here. Anyway, this has been Mark Rollins of the Geek Church, signing off. How nice. Okay, so, all right, at some point in time this goes up, I think. Please? Okay, maybe I'm not using this right. All right, I didn't really expect this. There's got to be a break on this thing somewhere. I would have thought this was, well, how does this work again? Okay, maybe I've got to read the instructions. Unless I kind of adjust. That's kind of, yeah, this is wild. So you can do a lot with this thing. So, why is that in an angle, though? That's kind of the thing here. Feels like it should be, this is something I know I'm doing wrong. So, yeah, because user error. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, why is that tilted? Am I, that's odd. It is tilted. Why am I getting that? Hang on. There must be something I'm doing wrong here. So what is it? Oh, that kind of stays that way. Am I? Let's see. Maybe I'm not using it in the proper way. I don't know. I feel like that should work out really well, right? Okay, maybe okay. This spins. Let's try it again. Okay. All right. Okay, why can't I get that to be straight here? Now, I'm hoping I can get this set up very quickly, but so you can see how it goes. I get that tilt effect a lot, but you can sort of like alter it on the thing, and then you've got your laptop right here. Oh, I forgot to spread these out here on the bottom. That'll make it easier for it to, whoa! Doing that take again. Not gonna allow that one.